Hey guys, Charles Frank here. I wanted to go over the market with you today. I'm going to do something fun. So let's do something fun right now, immediately. We're going to look at all the homes that sold today in the Los Angeles area. So all we do is we go to search, we go to quick, we go to try our new search. We are going to just get in the Los Angeles area, and it covers it that way. I'm going to go to status, closed. It's going to say too many, and then I'm going to go to today, and then we are going to zoom in, and this are all the transactions that happened today in the Los Angeles area. 214 transactions happened today in the Los Angeles area. Now I know you're wondering, like, the market should be dead. Why are people going right now? The interest rates are crazy and all that. There's reasons to be a buyer and seller in this market today. The reasons to be a seller is because people don't want to go into the market because they don't think that they'll sell the home successfully because there won't be enough buyers. Well, the environment of the market always adjusts to the interest rates or how hot the market is, or if it's a buyer market or a seller's market. So the environment of this market for a seller's point of view is you could look at it possibly that inventory is so low because nobody is entering the market right now. So your home is a rare commodity. And so when it posts up, it's like, there's one on the market. Everybody who needs to buy, who needs to get into LA, we got one on the market. There's not 20 that are competing for us. We got one. We got to get it. And that's probably why we are closing our deal. And we just posted it a weekend ago so quickly. And so that's the perspective from a seller's point of view of why to buy during a market. And a perspective from a buyer's point of view is that in some cases, high interest rates could cause the actual price of the home to come down so that you could, rationalize spending money on the high interest rate. So if I buy it at a lower price, and again, it all depends on who your agent is. You wanna use the advantages from the seller's point of view or from the buyer's point of view. But if you get somebody with an agent that doesn't take advantage from the seller's point of view of a market like this, then as a buyer, you could get the homes that are cheaper because the price came down to account for the high interest rates. So you buy it now. If that agent didn't market the home correctly, then you could refinance later and you got a cheaper home with an attractive mortgage rate later. I know, word salad, but I think you guys got what I'm putting out. Now, let's go here. I don't know if you can read this, but new listings are at 118, and this is for today, and closed listings are at 121. So more homes closed than were listed today. So people are buying. People are buying. You saw that map. Those were people that are like, whatever, I'm buying. For whatever circumstance they go into. So if you go into a market as either a buyer or a seller, you take advantage of whatever situations arise for that market. And you'll get in and out before everybody else rushes in. And that's the hidden little secret of real estate, is when everyone else is waiting, that's a good time to jump. Or you could join the frenzy when it all comes in hot. So I hope that made sense. But I just wanted to update you guys on the market.